Who are these reptilians that live inside of us? Who are these shapeshifters? Most importantly, who are you? This is Peter Gracey, poet and author. In collaboration with Jamaicans.com, I bring you this poem I wrote called Who Are You? How can I overcome evil and not be overcome by evil? I am only a poor man. But am I good enough to overcome evil? All good men are men. But are all men good? Who are those reptiles? Who are those shapeshifters who walk among me? Who are those that push us over the edge? Who are those that make me curse? Who are those that make me change my lips from instructive to destructive? Who are those that cause me to drag drapes over my own face? Who are those that cause me not to pay attention to my own heart? Who are those that cause me to shout derogatory statements without first thinking? Who are those that cause me to think that lack of finances should take away my joy? Who are those who condemn me because I did not go to their church? Who are those that cause me to pay attention to the way others live their lives? Who are those that cause me to judge others by their ethnicity, creed, color, or religious beliefs? Who are those reptilians? Who are those shapeshifters? Who are these creatures? Who are those that kick me when I'm down? Who are those that take away my smile and leave me with a frown? Who are those reptilians? Who are those that leave me with a ticking time bomb and smile with me on the way out? Who are those two-faced hypocrites that instills in me no peace or love? Who are those shapeshifters? Who are those who make us believe that respect is due in terms of money? Who feeds us all this information? Who feeds us all this information? Who converted our children to demons with filtered information? What caused us to allow our sons and daughters to be glued to that box of satanic drugs like plasma, CRT, LCD, LED, and HD TV? Who caused us to scream at our children? Who are those people? Who caused us to go overboard? Who caused us to stress? Who caused us to feel pressured? Who drives us to even be thinking about suicide? Who caused us not to be apologetic to family? Who caused us to lose faith? Who caused us to lust? Who caused us to fail? Who caused us to fall? More importantly, who will catch us? Who will save us? Who will deliver us? Who will provide us with answers to all these causes? Who? Who caused these undesirable consequences? The answer: a few ghosts that lives in your mind called fear. the fear of poverty, the fear of doubt, the fear of indecision, the fear of procrastination, the fear of worry, the fear of being overcautious, the fear of indifference. Only you can save yourself. Free your mind.